Squish Life here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have two squishy packages for you guys, and before I start this video I just want to remind you guys to go subscribe down below because I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon, and also check out my latest video that I will link right up there in the I button. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Another thing before I start this video is I want to apologize for all of the squishy package videos that I have been doing lately. I've just been getting a lot more packages, but each package only has like 1 or 2 squishies in it. So I have been getting a lot more packages. Hopefully you guys do not mind all the squishy package videos. I know you guys like videos of squishy packages, but I have been doing a lot recently, so hopefully you guys don't mind. And yeah, let's just get on into opening these. So I'm going to start off with the smaller package, and this was actually from popularboxes_HK's Store Envy. They actually make some of their own squishies, so I definitely recommend checking out their Store Envy, but I just decided to purchase a squishy because I have never found it on any other website. So I did purchase this Ducky ice cream by Toys Box Shop and Deco May Shop. This is sort of rare because it was produced a long time ago and they haven't come out with any new ones, or they haven't reproduced them, and you can only buy them from Store Envies or people who previously owned them. And there are a bunch of different like color designs, but I got the like dark color version. And let me just say, this squishy is literally so adorable. I cannot even stress how much I love the design of this. It is so cute. So this duck ice cream does have a blue cone on the bottom. All of the other ones have different color cones. This squishy is so soft and very squishy, as you can see. So, in all, I love this squishy so much. It is so soft. Definitely recommend this to whoever wants it or wants to purchase it. 10 out of 10, and yeah, let's get on to the next squishy package. So this squishy package is from eBay. So they did include some like, I don't know, they're like pretty like thick stickers. They're like sweets. So this is the item that I purchased. I do have the pink and yellow banana, so I really just wanted to get the green one to just finish off the collection. this smells just like the yellow banana. It is a very strong, just banana scent, and it is so detailed, and I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I want to preserve the smell of this one because I love it so much. And yeah. Now I have all 3 bananas in my collection. As you can see, now I have all 3 bananas in my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to be starting a giveaway at 40,000, so definitely make sure to subscribe and check out my latest video that I will link in the I button. And yeah, bye guys!